Trudeau government has addressed a myriad of issues in the 2022 budget, ranging from housing affordability to the green transition, economic growth, and improving the cost of living for Canadians. The funding has been allocated across many sectors and industries to minimize the impacts of business challenges, support recovery, and stimulate growth. Let's go through the federal government's plans for each of these sectors and discuss a few TSX listed stocks from these spaces that might be seeing some movement. First off, transport and infrastructure. The federal budget proposed an allocation of $396.8 million Canadian dollars to Transport Canada and Infrastructure Canada for over 2 years to plan and design a roadmap to support higher frequency rail from Toronto to Quebec City and vice versa. It also included a $42.8 million investment spanning 4 years, starting from the next couple of years, to VIA Rail Canada for construction, maintenance, and upgraduation of stations and maintenance centres, with $169.4 million in remaining amortization from the Windsor to Quebec City corridor. Now, coming to the Canadian National Railway stock. The stock, known for its rail transportation services in the country, could be drawing some traction on the markets following the announcement of these investment plans. Canadian National Railway has grown by approximately 21% over the last 9 months, and its shares traded at around $156 on the 11th of April. And moving on to the next sector, which is agriculture. The 2022 budget directed funding of $16 million to the Atlantic Canada Opportunities Agency via its Jobs and Growth Fund, and $12 million to the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, each spread over 2 years starting from 22 to 23. These steps aim to prevent the spread of potato warts and make the Prince Edward potato sector and its supply chain stable. So that happening, let's have a look at Nutrien's performance. Nutrien is known to be one of the world's largest fertilizer companies engaged in potash, nitrogen, and phosphate production. Its shares were trading in the green territory at around 133 Canadian dollars on the 11th of April. Now that you're up to speed, hit the bell icon to stay up to date. I'm Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.